The Femi 782 is an easily portable mitering bandsaw. The arm-locking pin aids in portability. The saw miters one way up to 45 degrees. The cutting capacities are 3 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches square, or 3 1/4 inches round at 90 degrees, and 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 inches square, or 2 1/2 inches round at 45 degrees. The 782 uses a 1/2 inch blade driven by a dual-speed motor. The blade is easily accessed for quick blade changing and has simplified blade tensioning to ensure correct blade tension. The adjustable guide arms slide closer to the part, providing more beam strength to the blade, allowing for straighter and more accurate cuts. Vicing is manual and easily adjusts to clamp material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The saw has a manual pull-down and head lift and a steady, sturdy pressed steel base. An adjustable bar stop saves time and money. Parts can be cut to the same length repeatedly without constantly having to remeasure. Portability is a huge benefit of the 782, making this saw ideal for workshops and smaller jobs in any production shop. It weighs only 35 pounds and uses standard 110 voltage. In addition, the 782 does not require coolant for lubrication. A table for contour and vertical cutting is optional.